In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple Etsy product video using an online editor. We're going to keep this process easy, practical, and beginner friendly. So if you have raw smartphone footage of your item and want to turn it into something polished enough for a listing, this workflow will help you do exactly that. First, open Google Chrome and go to an online video production workspace such as Canva. Using a browser-based editor is a great option because you don't need advanced software or a powerful computer to get started. Everything happens in one place, and the editing tools are usually simple enough for quick product videos. Once you're inside the editor, choose a blank square video template. This is important because you want the format to match Etsy video guidelines as closely as possible. Starting with the correct canvas size from the beginning helps avoid awkward cropping later, and makes your final video look cleaner and more professional. A square format also works well for product-focused visuals because it keeps attention centered on the item. Next, drag and drop your unedited smartphone video files into the project and place them onto the timeline track. This is where your video starts to take shape. If you recorded multiple clips, arrange them in the order that best shows the product clearly. Try to lead with footage that immediately highlights the item, since the first few seconds are usually the most important for catching attention. After that, begin trimming and refining the footage. Splice out any blurry or shaky sections so the final result feels more polished. If your video includes longer moments, like a process step that takes too much time, speed those parts up to keep the pacing smooth and engaging. You can also add simple transitions between clips. Keep these minimal and clean, since the goal is to support the product, not distract from it. Subtle cuts or gentle fades usually work best for marketplace videos. When everything looks right, download the finished video as an MP4 file. MP4 is a widely accepted format and is usually the safest choice for online listings. Before exporting, it's a good idea to quickly preview the full video one last time to make sure the cuts feel smooth and the product stays clearly visible throughout. Finally, take that completed MP4 file and drop it into your Etsy listing upload slot. Once uploaded, your listing will have a more dynamic visual element that can help shoppers better understand the item and feel more confident about what they're buying. That's the full process from raw phone footage to a finished product video ready for your listing.